Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on with a haul. I went to Michael's for some Black Friday shopping, and then I just have a few things from Walmart that were inspired by Dina over at Tina's Craft Creations. I needed no more tulle, but I saw the colors and I had to pick it up. So she had shown on her channel that Walmart had these 5 colors and they're so pretty together. And they have little stars and like confetti dots in them, and they're so pretty. So I picked up one of each color. So thanks a lot, Tina. And then I got this trim also that she showed. It was these 3 colors, and it's a pom-pom trim, but it has like a really pretty iridescent string in between them, connecting them. See if I can get it off here. Yeah, so it looks like that. I love that. The white looks just like little snowballs. It's so cute. So I picked up one of each of those. And then just to go along with the colors, I did pick up this trim in just their craft area. I think I've had this before. Maybe not in this color, but I had something very similar. So just like this really pretty kind of aqua green, a little darker than aqua, brighter than, or lighter than turquoise. If I can get it apart here. There we go. So this will be really cute for like the edge of pages for like journals. I think that's going to be really pretty, and it goes well with this collection too. So I've got those trims. Then this was from Michael's. Yes. So I bought coffee cups. These are going to go in my coffee bar. These are little to-go cups. I just think the colors are so fun. It says Holly Jolly on there. There are 6 of them in there. I also just picked up some Peeps for my hot cocoa bar. And I'll show you guys once I get that up and decorated. I bought these ornaments. I thought this would be cute in Happy Mail. They are little snowflakes and Christmas trees, but you can put little sequin mixes or pom-pom mixes in there. So I think those will be adorable to play with. I picked up this little wax melt stamper with this peppermint on it. I thought was so cute. And then I got a white and a red. And I'm actually going to seal my Christmas cards with a wax stamp. I did it a couple years ago and it just turned out super cute. I also picked up these to put in some swaps. They're just little, you know, those hair ties, but they look really cute as dangles from a charm. And I thought the little charms on there were really cute too, so I just picked up 2 of those. And those were original $4.99. I'm sure those were 50% off though. I picked up the candy bags that people have been hauling. I just think these are super cute. There is a Ziploc seal on there. Get it open. So it's just really cute with the pink and the red. And they're nice and thick. So yeah, it opens up here. It's got a little Ziploc baggie. So those are super cute to send Happy Mail in. I did pick up some silver chenille stems. I want to start doing some vintage projects, and I think this is what I need for those. I picked up these little houses. I picked up 2 of these. Someone had posted that they were going to make like gingerbread houses with them, but then they said that they would make really cute haunted houses too. So I picked up a set of 2. So I think I'll do something with those. I'm not quite sure yet. And then the last 2 things, no, 3 things. Well, I have a few more things. I did get the retro Christmas collection. This one was super cute. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because I know several people have shown it, but it comes with papers, stickers, jemmies, and then just some solid colors here. But I absolutely love that. I think it's so cute. These are going to be adorable little cut-aparts here. For texture in my junk journals, I picked up this crepe paper. I thought it would be neat to just have it in for, like I said, just a different texture. So you could fold this in half, you know, or cut it in half and get 2 sheets or 4 sheets even out of it. And it just comes in an array of colors. I don't know, I just like different things to go in there. So there's that. And then the last thing I got, these were buy one, get 3 free, and they are their ribbon spools. So this is a red, white, silver with a little bit of black. I love this down here. This has like a silvery tinsel, and then it's got the white and red with it. So that is super cute. You get 8 feet, 64 feet total, so you get 8 feet of each, so almost 3 yards. Then I got this like Nordic looking one. I love this. It's reds and burlap twine, kind of like a yarn, like that wool yarn looks so pretty. Then I got the silver and gold collection. That's just classic. So cute. I can just see making like a ribbon tassel using all of these ribbons together. And then last but not least, I did get the brights. So it's got the silvers. Here's that pom-pom trim in white and blue. And then it's just got some of the bright colors with it. So that'll be fun to play with too. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.